audience, let me introduce you to a game changer in off-grid camping, the GXV Hilt. A heavy-duty camper truck that's more than just an off-road vehicle. It's a futuristic oasis designed to tackle the wildest terrains while spoiling you with comfort. Think of it as your ticket to an off-grid paradise. This isn't your average camping experience. It's like stepping into a Spawn Wheels. The Hilt boasts a hydraulic smart suspension system, a body made from carbon fiber and Kevlar, and an energy setup that's basically a power station on wheels. Under the hood, it's powered by a 6.7-liter diesel-powered Ram 5500 chassis with a 20,000 pounds winch for those tough moments. But here's where it gets even cooler. Sustainability is its middle name. With a 1.3 to 5W solar power system to 30,000 inverters and a 16.8 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, it's like a green energy revolution on wheels, allowing you to live off the grid for ages without compromising comfort. Now, let's talk interiors. The Hilt isn't just tough on the outside, it's a luxurious oasis inside. Picture this, a modern, sustainable interior that feels like a high-end spa retreat. The living area can seat for the 5 adults on an L-shaped sofa that doubles as a queen bed, perfect for cozy nights after thrilling adventures. And the kitchen, it's compact but loaded with a stainless steel convection oven, microwave, air fryer, induction cooktop, and a water purification system. You can cook up a storm while feeling like a master chef in this micro-sized kitchen. But wait, there's more. The bathroom is generously sized, offering all the comforts of home: a shower, flushable cassette toilet, mirror, and a sink. And when it's time to hit the sack, there's a loft with a queen bed waiting for you. It's like a mini sanctuary up there with power outlets, a wireless charging station, and natural light streaming in. Now, here's the kicker. This beauty is currently selling for around $100,000, but it's a strictly limited price. So, if your heart yearns for off-grid adventures in style, you might want to grab this futuristic wonder before the price tag rockets into the stratosphere. And that's the scoop on the GXV Hilt. Don't forget to subscribe to Cool Ideas for more mind-blowing innovations. Until next time, dream big and keep your eyes on the road, or off-road in this case.